I have to thank Jim C for the video of today. Very cool video. I enjoyed it. This video courtesy of Crime Time Cam. You see this nice black vehicle on my left here. Cops stopped this thing for speeding in a school zone. 50 something miles per hour in a school zone. So the cops stopped the vehicle. Nice lady driving the car. He's a bit of a constitutionalist, doesn't believe that local laws apply to her, and also, you might even say a bit of a Karen. Things didn't work out well for her, let me put it to you that way. Let's go ahead and watch the video.
Morning, how you doing? You want to talk to you this morning? What's that? Yes, ma'am. You actually were doing over 50 miles an hour in a 35 mile an hour zone in a school zone. Yes, ma'am. You were speeding. You were speeding. Yes, ma'am. Can I see your driver's license, please?
Yeah, they start the conversation like that. You know it's going to be a fun one. It's an emergency. Yeah, you were stopped. There's not an emergency. You were speeding. Not an emergency, just breaking the law, doing their job.
Ma'am, can I see your driver's license, please? 3120. Can you go and start me another unit? Ma'am, can you go and give me your driver's license, please? Ma'am, I need to see your driver's license, please. Ma'am, I need to see your driver's license, please. I told you, ma'am, you were speeding. Ma'am, you were speeding in the school zone.
Where is the victim?
I don't get these people. She's so entitled. But not only this one, many of them are the same as this female. So entitled. I don't get it. I really don't get it.
3120, I have a non-compliant driver.
No, I'm trying to help.
No, ma'am, you're not. I need to see your driver's license, ma'am.
I do not consent.
Okay.
Well, if you want to help, give the officer the driver's license. That was asked for. That would be helping.
It doesn't matter if you consent to this.
I don't understand.
Okay. I told you were speeding in the school zone. Okay. I'm telling you what's going on right now. You're speeding in the school zone. Okay.
I
You-
want your victim. I'm happy to
Ma'am?
help. I want to help you.
Ma'am,
It's her.
I'm going to need to see your driver's license. You failed to obey. Yes, I have, ma'am. I have. Yes.
Okay, so are you giving me a statutory?
You were speeding, ma'am. Ma'am, you were speeding. Ma'am, if you do not give me your driver's license, ma'am, if you do not give me your driver's license, it is going to lead to you being arrested and going to the Forsyth County Jail. Okay? I would like for you to give me your driver's license. You were speeding in a school zone doing over 50 miles an hour in a 35 mile an hour zone.
This is a fun arrest. You got to stick around for the arrest. It is a fun arrest. I promise you. I've watched it. You got to stick around for it. You got to stick around for it.
Okay, ma'am?
I want to help.
You're not, ma'am. This is not the time and place. Yes, you are being detained right now.
Where's the warrant?
You just committed a crime back there. You were speeding in the school zone.
Where's the victim?
Ma'am?
No, I have.
You were speeding in the school zone.
Where's the crime?
I told you you just were speeding in the school
Where's the
zone.
victim?
The state of Georgia says you were speeding in a school zone, okay?
To the state of Georgia?
Okay. Ma'am, you're going to go to jail if you do not comply right now. Ma'am,
I'm trying to help.
ma'am, you're not helping. You're making this harder on yourself.
I'm happy to help. I need to see the victim.
Ma'am, I need you to give me your driver's license. You were speeding in a school zone doing over 50 miles an hour in a 35 mile an hour zone.
Where's that
Okay. All right. I would just like to give you a citation and you can go around your way. But I cannot give you that until you provide me your driver's license. You're required by law to give me your driver's license right now.
The constitutional law?
The state of Georgia says you have to provide me your driver's license in the case for this is a legal stop, ma'am. Okay. I need you to provide me your driver's license.
I did nothing unlawful.
Yes, ma'am. You were speeding in a school zone.
I did nothing unlawful.
Ma'am, you were speeding in a school zone.
I don't know why they don't just take this to court. Go fight these things in court. This guy's got a job to do. He's going to do it. And the way things go, yeah, he's going to arrest her. It's going to be a very cool arrest, I can assure you. But it's unnecessary. If you do not agree with the laws, take it to court. Fight the judge. If you want to change the laws, go to the correct entity and try and get it changed. But fighting with a cop, it's ridiculous. It doesn't make sense.
Ma'am, you're not making this easy on yourself right now. I need you to stop. I need you to give me your driver's license. Ma'am, I need you to give me your driver's license right now. Okay.
I don't understand.
All right. Where you're speeding in the school zone doing over 50 miles an hour, this is not going to go well for you. Okay. I need you to provide me your driver's license.
Oh, the judge will explain that to you in the morning after breakfast. I believe they have a very good breakfast there, so you might have a breakfast.
All right. Ma'am, I need you to give me your driver's license. I'm going to ask you one last time. Otherwise, I'm going to remove you from this vehicle and you're going to go to jail. Ma'am, it doesn't matter what you consent to at this point. I told you you're being pulled over for speeding in a school zone. She's pulling the constitutional lawyer stuff.
Okay.
So she's being non-compliant.
Okay.
So we're about to yank her out and take her to jail.
Go ahead.
Hey, so yeah, she's basically pulling she's basically doing I'm a traveler. What constitutional law have I broken? I'm not a victim.
Okay.
But she was doing over 50 in the freaking in the school zone over here.
Okay. I'm about to be out there with you.
Okay.
Ready to 3120 and all 35.
Still no luck with her. So.
She registered on the vehicle?
No, she's not. It comes back to a male.
Okay.
So
you stopped her for speeding?
yeah, stopped her for speeding. I said,
Okay, I gotta say this. Look at this. I think it's a sergeant and the guy next to him. I think they have very good donut shops in that area where these guys patrol. I'm just saying, I could be wrong. But it does look like the donut shop is doing quite well with the police force. Or at least these two of them. I don't know what to say. It looks like it. I'm amazed those buttons actually keep the shirt closed. Oh, that's quite good.
back in my before the school zone, and I was like, whoa, she seems a little bit go faster than 35. So I caught up to her. She was doing over 50. We were doing about like 52, 53 before I pulled her over. We were in the school zone. So,
Facing her?
Yeah, facing her. So I stopped her for that, and then I was just like, you're just speeding. And then she started doing what you're meant to uphold the Constitution. Been asking for a driver's license multiple times. Told her that I do have the right to detain you. I have right to ask for your driver's license because you're speeding, and she still has yet to provide that information. We even told her, it's like, you don't provide that, you're going to go to jail.
You got her driver's license.
Twin toes was under arrest. Okay. Driver license
Ma'am, so your license is suspended, okay? So right now you're under arrest, okay? You're under arrest, so you need to step out of the vehicle for me, please.
Oh, she's going to do it all willingly. Absolutely willingly. That's what she's going to do right now.
I'm sorry, I did not
Hey, step out of the car. Just step out of the car.
Take me out of the car,
She does not consent. He does not consent. They should step back. She did not consent to that.
Come on.
What are you doing?
I think they call it arrest you. I think that's what they call it. But then again, I'm not a constitutionalist, but no, I think it's they're trying to arrest you. You have to agree with me. That's an impressive wine that she has there. Man, I don't know.
Stand up. You're talking a whole lot for somebody who can't breathe. It's like this whole. Hey, put it on the other side. Did you call for a record? Not yet. Let's go ahead and start one.
I didn't even do it. I asked to see what the constitutional emergency was. I was trying to help him. I hate talk.
Well, she has no idea what's happened right now. I mean, they're infringing on her constitutional right. They cannot do that. I don't know. I think she got a bit of a wake-up call with this arrest. I hope so anyway.
So what part of you is injured?
Right, my wrists were injured. My knees were scraped against the ground in my throat. I was put in a chokehold. What do you mean?
Do you mind if I look at your throat?
No, over her head, but never around her throat.
Okay, for me to be assaulted.
Over her body part.
No, I was not resisting.
I just leave her the arm and then-
Yeah.
I was just trying to do under the
Yeah, I had her right hand with my left.
You want me to look at your head?
Kind of just,
Yeah, we're good.
Do you have anything on you? So what I'm gonna have you do? I'm gonna have you step. I'm gonna have you step out.
DFC.
I'm gonna have you step out. We'll adjust those cuffs, okay?
The young guy over there.
Yeah.
Young guy.
I think it went pretty smooth, but
Just face the car, face the car. Nothing in your pockets or anything like that.
I'm not wearing a bra, so
Okay.
please don't touch me.
Well, you've got to check your back, ma'am, okay? Gotta make sure you got nothing on you.
I'm just saying, the front, please don't molest me.
I'm not going to do that, ma'am, okay? All right, go and have a seat.
Let's check these.
You already loosened them.
All right, so those are as loose as they can go. I can fit 2 fingers in there. Okay. So I'll tell you something. If you keep your hands just the way they are, so the cuffs won't twist around, it'll stay comfortable that way. It'll stay more comfortable that way.
All right, so this is where this video ends with what shall we call her? Constitutionalist Karen, also a Sovcit. She's got quite a name that you have there for her. I don't understand how these people how they think, how they process these things in life. How do you think you're going to go through life without getting stopped by the cops, and this happened to you if you do not comply to their instructions? I don't know how they do that. Anyway, once again, thank you to Crime Time Cam. It's a very cool video. I appreciate me using it, and Guys, if you liked the video, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and say hi in the comments. It does help us a lot. I'll see you in the next one.